Hi, Chad.
Hi, Bruce.
Nice to see you, my friend.
Nice to see you too.
How are you, my friend?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Yeah, I'm very good. Nice to see you again. Dear Chad, I would like to discuss with you one question that really matters to me.
Yes, of course, I'm listening.
But if you don't mind, I don't want anyone else to hear what we are talking about. So I'm going to use my special gadget to leave this conversation only between you and me.
Of course, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, my friend.
This device was designed by counter-surveillance professionals and will protect you against all types of eavesdropping when used in correspondence with the recommendations. The Rabbler has been specifically created for situations when the safety of conversations is extremely important on the one hand, and on the other hand, the protective device should be as small as possible to allow easy transportation while not giving away your intentions. The mobile noise generator Rabbler creates additional speech-like interference which masks your speech. Since the generator creates a speech-like noise, the cleaning of this sound is extremely difficult, or most likely impossible, if the level of noise is sufficient. The speech-like noise in the Rabbler has been compiled using real human conversations, as is similar to the noise of a rabble in busy public places. The Rabbler is a portable, cigarette pack-sized device which can easily be transported in a pocket or a small bag. The housing of the unit is made from a very reliable material and is extremely durable, guaranteeing a long life for the device. Has the dimensions of 85 by 53 by 21 millimeters. The Rabbler is powered by a 9-volt battery and can work from 5 to 10 hours on one battery.